We're gaseous matter. We're electrifying power, light, energy. Everything is energy. Everything has frequencies. We're not created or destroyed. We're transformed. And I'm in love with the feeling of it. But I don't think I'll ever be able to understand the science. I just understand how I feel. I'm addicted to my senses and disgusted by our bodies. Gross barriers, simple yards made out of mud, limiting mediums. My body is not me. In fact, I wish I was not confined to this carnal, mortal matter, and I hate that I owe everything to it. The unconscious manifests through the body. It's not better or worse than another entity. It's a relationship. It's about balance. I want to be conscious in my current reality, not in my mental reality, but I can't seem to balance it out. I can unsee what I've seen. It's engraved in my brain forever. I'm not scarred. I'm just overwhelmed. There's so much inside that I cannot contain it. I think when I don't want to. It's not bad or scary, it's just too fucking much. We're more than love. We're comprehensible. We're sane and calm. The psyche is fluid. Our libidos are not sapped. Our energies are constantly redirected. It's about desire and instinct. But what if there's life after life? What if there's light after that, and then there's darkness, or light again, then color, then taste, then stars? My energy is overflowing my senses. I want to see what's beyond. I think life is a dot in existence. It is merely a step, a part of a whole, if there's a whole. Our bodies were dropped here. What else? I am present in this situation, perceiving it as a sphere of energy that flows from place to place, but really, I am everywhere. Look, we are everywhere. Can't you feel my skin? Can't you smell my clothes? Can't you see my feet? Look, I am sitting here as I walk towards your being. In the vast darkness, we hug. We indulge when we agree with each other. My being can be recognized in another level. Yours can too. But we're still looking at each other as bodies. Stupid but mighty containers. Without even recognizing beings. It's beyond the superficial, the thought shadowed by emotions. I cannot trust anything that I don't feel. It's just how I've learned to manage. But if you pay more attention, you'd feel everything too. I see you as energy. I feel your presence. I am receiving you right now through this medium, with a place in time and space in this plane. How absurd. They're irrelevant. They're just misunderstood toys. They're nothing. I'm everything. We all are.